All right, let's take a look at this metal hole drilling kit. First of all, though, look at this case. This is pretty cool. It's taking metal carrying case for all your little drill bits. Now this thing kind of tells you what sizes you got in here. That's cool. And look, this is in either imperial or metric. That's nice. What do we got here? Oh, cool. We got a little puncher here, so we can punch where we want our hole to start. That's nice. Yeah, it's one you push on the metal. That's cool. Oh man, we got 5 extra tips here for your pilot holes. And look at these. These look spectacular. So they're tipped there. And that's what we're looking for when we're cutting some metal. Big gnarly tips. Some of them, there ain't much tippage there. They wear out fast. Huh. And a good array of sizes. What are we going from 1 inch, 9/16 inch up to 2 1/8 or 14 millimeter up to 54 millimeter. Wow. Yeah, these things look spectacular. And they've got these little springs on them, so when you drill into metal, the spring will just pop the metal out when you're done drilling instead of the metal getting stuck inside the bit. So that's pretty neat. And they give you, it looks like a couple Allen wrenches here. So if you do need to remove your pilot bit with spring, you just get in here and unscrew it, remove it, and put your new one in. So everything you need to be successful with this kit is in here. Look at that monster right there. Holy smokes. That's a big one. Let's try cutting some metal here, or drilling a hole in some metal. Okay, this is some 3/16 metal here. I've got the 22 millimeter bit. I've got the speed turned down on this thing. You don't want to try to just smoke through this stuff. You got to take your time. So let's get to drilling. Okay, that went through really super easy. Let's take a look. Yeah, look, that is a really smooth cut right there. And the teeth are not too hot. They're still in good condition. The pilot hole went through like butter. But yeah, that hole overall, very smooth. Looking great. Yeah, no metal stuck inside because the little spring pushed the little metal out. See, there's our metal. So yeah, looks good. Teeth are in great condition. Just make sure you turn your drill down to a pretty slow speed when using something like this for cutting into thicker metals or even thinner metals. You don't need to melt your way through it. You just need to cut.